Assalamu alaikum dear all viewers. Today we are going to take a test on whiteboards of singular plural. Okay, Abdul Hadi, how have you been?
I am fine.
Okay, well done. Are you prepared?
Yes.
Okay, आपके टेस्ट की तैयारी कैसी है?
मेरे टेस्ट की तैयारी बहुत अच्छी।
शाबाश, speak loudly.
मेरी टेस्ट की तैयारी बहुत अच्छी है।
Yes, pick a board marker and start writing. The first one is bank. Yes, the first one is bank. What is this?
Banks.
Shabash, well done. Next is bed. Speak it. क्या लिखा है?
Bed. Beds.
Next one is coat.
Coats.
Coat. The other is fork.
Forks.
Girl.
Girls.
Speak loudly.
Girls.
Speak loudly.
Girls.
And the other is bear. What is this?
Bears.
Cap.
Cats.
Wall.
Wolves.
Frog.
Frogs.
Yes, tap.
Taps.
You have to say plurals of these words. The first one is bear.
Bears.
Cap.
Cats.
Wall.
Wolves.
Frog.
Frogs.
Tap.
Taps.
Bank.
Banks.
Bed.
Beds.
Coat.
Coats.
Fork. Fork.
Forks.
Girl.
Girls.
Say thank you.
Thank you.